Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We are on our way to Bash to the Future. It's a 3-day event in Oregon, Medford, Oregon. We're right outside Willows right now for our first gas up. So let me show you guys the rig, what we're working with on our way up. So here's the rig, car and trailer, loaded down with the essentials. Got the full tire rack. I think we have about 22 tires total for this weekend, so we should have enough. Got some on the rear too. Car is fully strapped down. So yeah, should be a good weekend. We're driving up by ourselves. We left a little bit earlier than everyone else. People had work on Thursday or today. Oh, they're leaving a little bit later. But we're gonna get up there, save a couple spots for Bayrad, Kyle, Dawn. I'll give you guys an update when we get on our next gas stop. We got probably about a 3.5 hour drive. So let's keep driving. Alright guys, so we just got through Shasta. We have 2 hours and 17 minutes till we're to Medford, and the truck's doing good. The truck got a bigger external transmission cooler, because when we came here in June, it got a little hot on the last uphill battle with the Oregon Hills. So hopefully it does better this time. Guys, we officially made it to Oregon. We just got into our pit spot. We're gonna start getting the truck unloaded, get our spots out, throw out a few tires, save some spots, and then we'll be doing some runs to Walmart. Let me show you guys the field, because where the field was, where the original parking was, last year, it was covered in grass and it was kind of limited. This year, they got out a bunch of tractors and they actually cleared out the entire field, created more spots, and it looks way better. So there's the track. So they got actual, last year they had that tire wall, I don't know if you guys remember that. And then now they got flags, all the spots painted out. But if you look back here, everything's cleared out now. All this was brush, all that's brush. Now it's just way more parking, and they actually leveled it all out too. So we're gonna start unloading. Alright, so we just got finished with the camp. We got everything in place. We're about to go put the truck and trailer over in the corner and then go shopping for food for this weekend. Ice chest, chairs, barbecue table, speaker, all the necessities, and then all my tools, track tools. And then this is where I'll be pitting behind the tent to change up tires and stuff. We got a pretty nice view of the track, so if we're not driving, and we can still watch people and stuff like that.
The paved pits, guys, every single one of the paved Dave Pitts is sold. So please, please, please stay between your lines and get in nice and tight.
All right, guys. So it's Friday. It's like 11 o'clock. We had our drivers meeting. I did a couple of laps. Already, and just fill out the car, make sure that I got my PSI right. I'm running 22 PSI in the rear. I'm running 225 40 18s, and I'm running like 30 PSI in the front. But yeah, she's gripped up nice. Those solid motor mounts I just put in too are really making a difference for the car. So let's go do some laps. Day two, it's Saturday. We just got done with driver meeting. I went out with Van for a couple laps. Had a couple laps on some tires. I just got 4 mounted, or they're being mounted right now. And but yeah, the car's running phenomenal. Ever since I put those solid motor mounts in and tightened up some of the steering, I had a PVM angle kit. And the car just rips. So we didn't qualify for some reason. I don't know. I feel like our lines were really good and we had really good proximity and everything like that, but we didn't qualify. So I have a set on the car right now that are probably like 3/4 good still. I did a couple runs with Derek. I got another set mounted, and then we'll probably save the other 4 for tomorrow because the tire guys are backed up crazy right now. Alright guys, so that's gonna conclude this weekend. We stopped and got some food at McDonald's. And yeah, we got a 5-hour drive back. Yeah, so it was a good weekend, good driving from everyone. Drift Evolution puts on a great event every single year. And even though they had to delay it till August, it was still not bad weather. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share it, you know. So stay tuned.